For also, for our information na rin, pag-reporting mamaya. Pero itong form na to, yun yung ibig-sasabit natin dito sa LPPWP. Okay? Para i-collect nila sa data nila. So it's very important that you record it properly. So ano ba yung nasa categories? No? So there are 7 categories. It's not necessarily you have to fill up all the categories. So depende dun sa area nyo. If wala naman talaga nung isa, okay lang. Okay? So make sure just make it sure na you count the number of sacks per category. Okay? And the number of pieces per category. Nandito meron niya, makita nyo. Pwede kayo mag-tick dito sa big area. Tapos yung sacks nandito, tapos yung weight nandito. Okay? So, suggestion ko, so we'll be walking siguro mga 5 minutes pag ganun. For the other, yun yung dating previous nating cleanup site. So, marami daw basura ngayon. So, it's just this one area. So, nandun tayong lahat. So, let's set up the weighing station. 2 weighing station dyan. So, I suggest that you bring may nagdala yung sako. I suggest na kunin niyo muna yung sako. Hindi na susunod to ever. Hindi na susunod tong suggestion to ever. Pero palagi ko inuulit. Suggestion ko, dalhin niyo yung mga sako niyo. Lumayo muna kayo. Tsaka kayo magpulot pabalik. Ibig sabihin, by doing that, pabigat ng pabigat habang papalapit kayo sa weighing station. Hindi yung ma-excite kayo, magpupulot kayo, palayo ka naman, tapos dadalhin niyo yung 5 sako. No? Hindi ko kayo tutulungan. Okay? Hindi na kayo tutulungan. Wala kayo sa buhay nyo. Hindi, joke lang. Tutulungan naman. Ayaw. Pero, and also, hindi nyo pwedeng iwan doon yung sako nyo. Okay? Dahil kailangan idalhin natin doon sa weighing station kasi doon kukolektahin ng Parañaque, LGU. Dahil pumapasok yung truck dito. Okay? So, always remember na lumayo muna kayo or you malaking lugar at maraming basura. So, huwag kayo mag-unahan dun sa ano. Okay? So, pwede kayong, dahil nga, kaka-clean up rin lang namin pero sa Intramuros, so maraming sako. Okay? So, yung mga naka-experience before, hindi mo tayo nagkulang sa sako, pero nagkulang sa oras. Okay? So, mag-start tayo mga 8:30. Kasi mag-distribute pa yung materials. Anong oras ang hard stop natin? 9:30. Ang aga. Kasi sa experience ko, walang tumatagal ng 1 oras. Doon sa mga second timers, hindi hindi talaga. Hindi kayo tatagal ng 1 unless i-pacing niyo yung sarili niya. So marami tayong sako, pwede pa nga 2 sakos per person. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'll to accompany everybody. Yeah, I will. So make sure that you have 1 sack per person. Okay, and do not mix the categories. So for example, you're the person carrying the sack for plastic cups, lids, straws, and utensils. You only put the proper per category. We're segregating this as we pick it up because you don't want the LGU to have that burden, no, of segregating the waste because they have to segregate it. So very important that we segregate it as we pick it up. So it's easier na when they get it, it's already segregated and they can easily put it in their trucks. Okay, so that's one thing. So we start at 8:30 or at least an hour. Because of the time, no? Because we were on time, I think you can pace yourselves so you can go longer. Kasi it's really going to be taxing, no? For especially, don't be too excited na. Di ba? So make sure that you try to ganon ang lifting, hindi pa ganon, ha? It's lifting that way. Kasi I'm telling you, 20 minutes into it, you wish na sinabi kong 10 minutes, uwian na. Okay? So make sure that you try to pace yourselves kasi if we finish too early, there is no food. Yet, there is no food yet. But of course, you can explore the bamboo centum there. It's on our way there. Pero you're not allowed to go that way. No. So you can explore here. And if you notice, because of month, no, there are migratory egrets there. If you were early, like meron si Sir who was early from Tanza. So he was early, he saw the lots of birds here, no? Pero because, you know, we're very noisy, they left already. But they're in the area, no? So they come from, I think, as far as Taiwan or Japan. So this is their last stop, no, for the winter. Then after, they go back north. If I'm correct, ha? So these are the egrets for that. So meron, that's why you're not allowed to go that side. That's where the blinds are. Yung mga, where they can observe yung mga naka-camouflage na bird station, bird watching stations. So actually you can visit here, not just for the cleanup, but also for the bird watching and for the mangrove walk, which we did not, which we did not apply for. So we just applied for the coastal cleanup. Okay, so it's important that you try to pace yourselves, so don't tire yourselves easily, especially when it's around mga 9 o'clock when the sun will hit you. So try to clean up as much as you can sa area nyo para you don't have to walk a lot. No? Pero always make sure that you bring your trash back to the weighing station, and that's where we'll leave all the trash for the ILG to collect. So, okay? So, for the recorder, you can switch. No? Kunyari, after a few minutes, you want to collect garbage as well, you can switch. So we have tongs, but not for everybody. We have extra gloves na washed naman, but previously used, no, pre-loved gloves. Ayan, pre-loved, yes. Okay, so with that, I think that's it, no? So what we're going to do next is I'm going to call you by group number, and then before handing you the recorder, the forms. There are two, So one is a scratch paper. Do not ask for extra anymore, ha? Okay, so scratch paper. Make this the first one your scratch, that's the second one, the clean one. But I only need 3 numbers. Okay? The total number of waste per category, total number. The second is the number of sacks per category. And the third is the weight per category. So, i-add nyo na. Add it per category already. No? So, yung doon sa final submission nyo, na they're already summed up. No? Because we'll collect the data also from you para we'll add it all together. Para there's less task also. Okay? So now we'll proceed to the fun part. So you've been sitting in the bus. So now mag-ano tayo? So ng form, Google group. Pakilala kayo. Pakilala yung group nyo. Na kayo pakilala isa't isa. Pakilala yung group nyo, the cheer, and then. Tapos yung sako will be there at the weighing station there. No, it's a 1 to 2 minute walk. And when you're walking there, you see the bamboo centum on your right. Do the selfie later. Okay? Unless gusto yung fresh kayo, because going back, you're not fresh. Sure you. You can smell it already. We're going there to the smell. Okay? So, group 1.